This right here is a common fire alarm pull station seen in the United States of America. Have you ever wondered about what pull stations are like in other countries though? In most other countries they are called call points, and this has actually been a video request that I've gotten from several of my foreign viewers. Huge shout out to you. And today we're going to be looking at call points, and you might learn something new. These two devices are call points. Notice how they look a little different than a pull station that's sold in the United States? Well, they are a little bit different, but really, they do the same thing. In the United States, fire alarm pull stations are required to display the word fire in American letters on it. Other countries usually don't have as much building code compared to the United States. In other countries, it's also common for multiple different languages to be used in the same area. This call point, I believe, is European, and this call point, I believe, is Chinese. Notice how both of them don't display the word fire in it, rather they just have a picture of a burning house, and then a button that says, press here. To me, this is very straightforward. If there's a fire, press right there. And this, of course, will activate the fire alarm system. So this call point right here is probably generic. It's not labeled by a specific brand, but they all kind of work the same way. Let me give you a demonstration. So there's a fire, what are we going to do? We're going to just press right there. And when you do that, this white piece right here slides down and this yellow bar appears. And the yellow bar signifies that the alarm has been activated. To reset it, it takes this little black plastic key and you stick it in the bottom and pull out. And as you can see, it pulls out this little piece, and then you simply put the piece back in and then push it together. And the the call point is reset. Mounting the call point to the wall is fairly easy. As you can see, it comes with a back box, and to get to where you can mount it to the back box, you simply take the call point and the special plastic key, open it up, pull out this little red plastic piece, and then you see this little white plate right here. You just take that out. It's the little push part. And then you see these two screw holes. You just put the two screws in and then mount it directly to the back box. And then the back box, of course, mounts to the wall. And then you can put it all back together when you're done. The Chinese call point, as you can see, mounts the exact same way. The only difference with this call point is the key is at the top, and this one is actually broken. I broke it on probably my first time pushing it in, but it still works. You just push in and it still activates the button, so I can still use it. And as you can see, there's two screw holes, there's terminals in the back, and this piece can mount to the wall, and then this can mount right on that. And there it is. Alright, now comes the fun part. We're going to test the call point with a real fire alarm. This fire alarm is an American fire alarm. It's made by System Sensor. I do not have a European sounder or any sort of foreign fire alarm sounder to go with this, so if anyone wants to send me one, that'd be cool. I'd love to make a video on it. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and press here because there's a fire. In 3, 2, 1. And it's activated. And the call point has been reset. There's the demonstration, everyone. Well, everyone, that was my demonstration today on call points. I hope you learned something, and if not, well, you got to see a cool demonstration. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.